this is the Royal Ridge stitch. Isn't it beautiful? And it's the same on both sides. Just beautiful. This is a, I used a DK weight and a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook for this sample. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get started on this beautiful stitch. There it is sideways. Isn't it gorgeous? Look at that. Okay guys, let's get started on the Royal Ridge stitch. You can use any size yarn you want, any size hook that you would like. If you want, you can start your chain off by making a slip knot. You just wrap the yarn around your finger, slip it off your finger, take the yarn and pull through the loop, and make you a little loop there. Insert your hook and pull and tighten it. Okay, so you can chain any amount you want, and to make a chain, grab your yarn, pull through the loop on your hook. Grab the yarn, pull through the loop. Grab the yarn, pull through the loop. Now you've made a chain, and you can use any amount of chains that you want. Just, you know, chain however many you need for the project that you are working on. Okay, and I'll get right back with you when I get to the amount of chains that I need. Okay, once you get to the amount of chains that you need, go ahead and single crochet in the second chain from the hook. There's your first chain, and it will be your second chain. Just make a single crochet, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through, grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops on your hook. Okay, and then make a single crochet in your next chain. Insert your hook, grab your yarn, pull through, grab your yarn, pull through 2 loops. And that's how you make a single crochet. And we're going to do this all the way down our chain. Just like this. All right, and this is what it's looking like. All right, I will meet you when you get to the end of your chain. Okay, I'm on my last chain, and I made a single crochet. Okay, so now to start row 2, going to chain 1, we're going to turn our work, and we're going to make a half double crochet in each stitch going across. Yarn over, insert your hook in that first stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Now you've made a half double crochet, and you're going to continue this in each stitch all the way across. You should have the same amount of stitches on row 2 as you do on row 1. And just continue working a half double crochet in each stitch all the way across. And it should look like this. All right, I'll meet you when you get to your last half double crochet of your row. Okay guys, I'm on my last half double crochet. Okay, so now you need to chain 1 and turn your work. Now this is where the fun begins. This is what we have. Okay, so now we are going to work in the 3rd loop. So if you turn this over, you'll see you have 1, 2, and then 3. So it's the loop right below where you normally would insert your hook to make a stitch. It's this loop right below that. Do you see that? There's 1. It's right below your V stitch. See that little V right there? It's right below that, all the way across. So we're going to work a half double crochet in that third loop. This is going to create our ridge. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and we're going to turn this over and see what it's looking like on the other side. Okay, this is the side we're working on. Here's the other side. You see how it's creating this ridge right there? Isn't that beautiful? All right, I'll do a few more and then I'll leave you on your own. Just keep working in that loop right here, this loop right there. It's called the third loop. Okay guys, I will meet you when you get to the end. It's a little hard to tell where it's at on this last one. So what I do is I crochet in this back loop right there. There we go. All right, chain 1 and turn your work. And this is what you've got. And then you just keep repeating this over again. You're going to crochet in that third loop. There's 1, 2, 3. And that's what you do, third loop. Now this will make a ridge on both sides of your project. All right, let's turn it around so you can see. So see, now you have a ridge on this side. All right, guys, that is really all you need to do. You just keep crocheting in the third loop. 1, 2, and it's this third loop. When you turn over, see 1, 2, and it's that third loop. 1, 2, third. All you gotta do is find your V, and it's that third loop. Okay, guys, that's all there is to this. Just keep repeating that, and you will have a ridge on both sides. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I hope I have helped you learn a stitch. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.